Hi, welcome with Cooking with Tia. I'll be making Bánh Cuốn, a kind of a flour flour like a crepe type. It's white with a ground pork, stuffing, the earwood mushroom, garlics, and onions. Here's the ingredients I have. I have about a little pound and over of ground pork, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, 2 garlic, 1 to 2 if you like, probably half a cup of onions. And here's the earwood mushroom I already pre-soaked. I'm just going to use about half a cup of that. And here's the batter I like to use. And it says you need 4 cups of water. Okay, I'm going to mix in 4 cups of water. This whole bag of flour here. And when you're making this, it's going to be like a thin pancake, almost like a crepe style. And you do the filling. But it's a rice flour. Just rice and water, whatever this is in there. I'm going to use a teaspoon of oil here to fry. Just a little bit. Just let it heat up. I'm going to put in the garlic. Put onions in. Sizzling. I'm going to talk about the earwood mushroom. I use about half a cup. But before that, you have to soak in water about 10-15 minutes in warm water or hot. And then drain it out. Heat that about 2-3 minutes. Let it cook. And go ahead and put the ground pork in. All the pink's almost gone, and then I'll add the earwood mushroom. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the mushroom, black earwood mushroom. I'm going to add a 4th tablespoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of MSG, half a spoon, not quite half, of sugar. Then I'll add half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then hoisin all on my hand. Okay, done. 15 to 20 minutes. Half teaspoon of oil. Sure it all covers. Scoop it over like a crepe, be a thin layer. There we go. Kind of cloudy, and it'll turn clear when it's cooked. So it's kind of cloudy. When it starts cooking, it'll start looking clear. See how it changes from white to kind of translucent, kind of clear. Almost there. Just give it a couple more. Okay, I'm going to take it to the chopping board. Okay, here we go. And flop it. It's like a crepe. Make sure you flop it up. If you don't, it'll get kind of, not a round shape. That's why I brought this chopstick, kind of straighten it out because it's hot. Scoop it in the middle. It's easier to roll. I'm on the last one. Made 14 rolls here. Fried onion, crunchy red fried onion. And that's how you eat it. Try one. And fish sauce.